I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It is super cool. So keep on. Hey guys, so I'm a person that wants to help. So today I'm going to show you Top Heroes free diamonds and rubies, iOS and Android, okay? So here we are in the game, and in the mod menu, we can turn on this button that adds a free diamonds. So I just turned it on, so let's see if our diamonds go up. And then I'm going to show you how to download this modded version for your phone, guys. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, these are the current amounts on the game. Really pathetic, but feeling like I could receive more. So yeah, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this for your device, iOS and Android, so you can actually get rich on the Top Heroes. So let's get into the video. Alright, so what we have to do is type tweakmod.com, okay? So this is a website that has a number of modded games. So go to the search bar, put Top Heroes, press install, and now it is going to start downloading the modded version, guys. Now there is going to be one more step, and this is the verification, guys. So what you have to do is download 2 apps. They're free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. And you guys are gonna see, I mean, it's so easy, bro. So let's get into the tutorial, and you guys are gonna learn how to get this verification completed and therefore get rich. So as you can see, guys, it is loading right now, so it is gonna bring us there. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 11, for instance. It's a game, okay. Just tons of these. I mean, it doesn't matter, guys. Just make sure you do 2 of them. This one I have to reach level 9. This one I have to down and run for 30 seconds. So that's so easy, bro. So that's how I get it for your device. I'm gonna see you guys later, but if you play Top Heroes at all, then you gotta know that being rich is pretty difficult, but with the modded version, it's easy.